Let's get started. What are the best foods for diabetics? If you have diabetes, controlling sugar level by managing the sugar and carbs consumption is not just for losing your weight, but it can be crucial, a matter of life and death. In this video, you will learn more about 25 foods, which are beneficial for people with diabetes. By applying this information to your menu, you may reduce your risk for diabetes-related health complications. Please subscribe before continue. These 25 foods may help manage blood sugar level and be the solution for early-stage high blood sugar problems. These kind of foods should be included in the food for diabetic patient to support diabetes treatments. Here the list foods for diabetics which are good to reduce your risk for diabetes-related health complications. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, a nutrient that improves insulin sensitivity, and potassium. Almonds don't raise blood sugar levels. Research has shown that almonds may reduce the rise in blood sugar and insulin levels after. Number 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has a compound called hydroxychalcone, which could lower cholesterol and help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Previous researches show that by applying a half of teaspoon of cinnamon every day can improve fasting blood sugar and ward off insulin spikes. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic has been known to help lower high cholesterol levels. However, researchers found that garlic has also hundreds of chemical components, many of which can be solutions for health problems including diabetes. One of the chemical components of garlic may help control blood sugar levels. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil has been proven that can stabilize the blood sugar levels, minimizes blood sugar spikes, and control the LDL cholesterol level. Managing this bad cholesterol is very important for diabetics since diabetics has a higher risk of a heart attack or stroke. Number 5. Prunes. Prunes are high in fiber content so they are lower on glycemic index score and has lower effect on blood sugar levels. Number 6. Beans. Beans are a good alternative to meat and included as diabetic-friendly foods. They are low on the glycemic index score and provide significant soluble fiber resulting that they may help lower blood sugar levels and coronary artery disease. Number 7. Lentils. Lentils are lower on glycemic index score and provide B vitamins, iron, complex carbohydrates, and protein. These complex carbohydrates have a minimal impact on your blood sugar levels. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is often easier to digest than regular yogurt and naturally contains both low carbohydrates and high protein, which can help control hunger levels and blood sugars. Number 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is very common for us to have it as breakfast. It is high in soluble fiber and has low glycemic index so it can help you to control your glucose levels. Oatmeal are slower to digest so the glucose will be released into bloodstream more slowly. Recent research explained that consuming oatmeal on a daily basis can reduce the risk of prediabetes by 30%. Number 10. Spinach. The American Diabetes Association calls spinach a diabetes superfood, great foods for diabetics. Leafy greens, like spinach, are great non-starchy vegetable, great sources of fiber, rich in B vitamins, iron, calcium, and vitamin C. They are also very low in digestible carbs, which may control your blood sugar levels. Number 11. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries and other berries are all low on the glycemic index score and are considered to be superfoods and recommended food for diabetic patients. Number 12. Peanut butter. Peanut butter has low carbohydrate content that can prevent spikes in your blood sugar levels. Peanut butter has a low glycemic index (GI) score only 14. This means that the peanut butter only gives a lower effect to your blood sugar levels. Number 13. Broccoli. Eating broccoli could reverse the damage caused by diabetes to heart blood vessels, BBC News reported. They are a great source of vitamin C and K, folic acid, potassium, and fiber. They are food for type 2 diabetes since they are high in something called sulforaphane, which may help type 2 diabetes patients manage their blood sugar. Number 14. Avocado. Avocados are full of healthful fats, which means they have lower effect on blood sugar levels. Avocado also has a high fiber diet. Those benefits of avocado are advised by physicians or dietitians to help control blood sugar spikes. Number 15. Kale. Kale contains fiber, antioxidants, calcium, vitamin K, vitamin C, and iron, among others. The digestion-slowing nutrient, fiber and antioxidants in kale may improve blood glucose control. Including the kale in diabetic meal plan should be an excellent choice. Number 16. Asparagus. A new study published in the British Journal of Nutrition recommends that if you wish to control type 2 diabetes, you should consume asparagus regularly. By eating asparagus may keep blood sugar under control. Number 17. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are lower glycemic index score, rich in vitamin C and lycopene. Lycopene is antioxidant which can help fight inflammation, increase HDL healthy cholesterol and reduce LDL bad cholesterol. Number 18. Apples. Apples are high in fiber, vitamin C and several antioxidants. Apples also contain sugar fructose, however this sugar won't give the same effect as sugars found in chocolates and biscuits. According to American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, replacing glucose with fructose may lead to less sugar and insulin after meal. Number 19. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, antioxidant, low fat and fiber. Antioxidant in citrus fruit is suitable as meals for diabetic patients in order to fight inflammation. Number 20. Red onion. A recent study found that consuming red onion extract may help to reduce blood sugar levels significantly, and this is important for people with diabetes. Number 21. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber, antioxidant, protein, healthy fats, omega-3 and calcium. Chia seeds are beneficial for diabetics since they may improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Number 22. Green tea. Green tea contains high amounts of polyphenols antioxidants which can help protect against inflammation and carcinogens. Some studies show the possibility of green tea to prevent type 2 diabetes as well as some cancers. Number 23. Bell peppers. Bell peppers contain anthocyanin which may slow down digestion of carbohydrates and lipids, making them beneficial to help you to control your blood glucose levels. Antioxidant in bell peppers may lower your risk of various health complications caused due to diabetes. Number 24. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is one of good foods allowed for diabetics. It may promote some good health benefits. Dark chocolate contains the antioxidants which help the body use its insulin more efficiently to help control blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Number 25. Squash. Summer and winter squash contain vitamin A, vitamin C, some B vitamins, iron, antioxidants and calcium. Their antioxidants may offer protection against diabetes by helping lower blood sugar. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more on how to reverse your diabetes in just a couple of weeks, please click link in description below. Finally, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, so you won't miss our video updates. See you in the next video. Bye.